Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry tincture, a simple and effective herbal remedy. We'll go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final storage. This process involves steeping elderberries in alcohol to extract their beneficial properties, creating a potent liquid. You'll learn how to prepare the berries, combine them with alcohol, and properly store your homemade tincture for long-term use. First, let's talk about what you'll need. For your elderberries, you can use either 1 cup of fresh berries or 1/2 cup of dried ones. It's crucial to remove all stems, as they can be toxic. Next, choose a high-proof alcohol. 80-proof vodka or brandy works wonderfully. Gently crushing the berries before steeping helps to break down their cell walls, allowing for a more potent extraction of their beneficial compounds into the alcohol. Now for the steeping process. Transfer your prepared elderberries into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Pour your chosen alcohol over the berries, ensuring they are fully submerged by at least 1 inch. This prevents mold and ensures proper extraction. Seal the jar tightly with a lid and place it in a cool, dark cupboard. Remember to give the jar a good shake once a day for 4 to 6 weeks to encourage the extraction. After 4 to 6 weeks, it's time to strain your tincture. Place a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth over a clean bowl and pour the mixture through. Press firmly on the elderberry solids to extract every last drop of liquid. Transfer your finished tincture into dark glass dropper bottles, which help protect it from light degradation. Stored in a cool, dark place, your homemade elderberry tincture can last for up to 5 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.